So more on before I go to pivot table um, um, proper, I would want some techniques on doing certain summary on your own if you so want. Now, the first thing, this is a table, right? And this is another table. This table is the um, acceptable table in Microsoft Excel. This is just a range of cells that have borders. Now, if you want to actually apply this table um, functionalities to this particular range of cells, you just say Control T, or you go to Insert uh, and oh, sorry, I think is that table. Yeah, so you just click on table, and it will say where is the data for your table. It automatically has highlighted where it thinks it has data, and so it's saying my table has header, yes or no. That is this, right? Now, in case for because there's nothing here, you can just say SN. Then we'll do the same thing. Control T, and my table has header, yes, and you can see, and you can choose from, you can change the colors if you don't want um do anything. You actually has like different table styles. So this is just ugly. So let's see. Yeah, they are pretty cool table styles here that you can so that is one way to go about. The next thing I wanted to show you, and insert a slicer, and what that does is this slicer, because you've changed this into a table, you select, oh, what do I want to do, um what do I want to add in this my slicer. So basically this slicer um assist in filtering, and so maybe I can do by satellite and by beam. Hmm, let's say by status. And what that does is anytime I click on, so let me think, you can also change the width of this. You can change the width and the height. Let me increase the height and increase the width. We can also change, oh no, sorry, Control Z. We can change the number of columns to two, and it's more um horizontal. And what happens is, by the time I click on any of them, it will just filter any of these. So if I click on active, it's just going to filter only active cells. And so if I scroll down the table, it will just show me out active cells. So if I click on lock, it's going to do the same thing, right? If I click on add, so you can see automatically it has removed the 1114. Now if I click on lock earlier 3, you can see the beams that are available on it, and you see automatic here. So it's a way to actually do filtering. So this has like six rows. I will just go to insert, and I think I can right click and click on size and property, and it's going to show me the size and property. Let me go to the property, show sorry, position and layout, number of columns. I think I'm going to use 5 columns. or six, or I can do it in three columns, mean that is six, and make it more presentable. Like, and the more you continue to click, and I can reduce the height as well as the width, just making the stuff really interesting in terms of design. Or guys, I can say 1.0.18, just increase the size, and each one I select is just going to end up uh, doing a summary for me based on this particular table. I wanted to show you what slicer does. Then so if you want to remove, you just clear all filters. Are you noticing that as I'm applying this, you can see this like a funnel under the drop down on the column title, and that's because I've applied a particular filter, right? So it's the same thing when I do this. You can see it's gonna show the status here. It just show me active. So the active will be in blue, and the lock that I removed out of the filter will be in white. And I just wanted to show you guys this. Um, I can just remove it because I really don't need it any longer. I just wanted to show you guys. I don't know if you might need it, but in case you do, this is another way to easily um, do apply filters on your table uh, using a user interface. Some, making life easy for you. Um,
I have a question, sir.
so please ask.
Okay, for this slicer that you just showed us, can we also use it to interpret data instead of going through the stress of copying the information on the data set to another worksheet? Can we just control T like you did it for this one and then use it to explain the data?
So basically, the what you do with filter is just so that you can have a basic overview. A lot of times, explanation of data set is in its summary. How many people were active, or how many people are active, how many people are locked, how many people are on a particular satellite, and so on. And it's really important that you know. Sorry, please hold on. Um, so it's really important that you guys know when to use what. For some weird reason, I don't know why this camera keeps the just hold on.